I'll admit, whenever I've had to get a new battery for either the car or the trailer, especially on the car side, I didn't put that much research in. Usually it leaves you without warning when you are heading out of the bush or in the bush and you just need to get a battery to get back home again. There hasn't been many technological advancements in the battery world or in the standalone battery world in the car industry for a while. If you look at electric cars, yes, they use lithium ion and all that fancy stuff, but just your normal starter or deep cell battery, there hasn't been much going on until now. This monster is Willard's Gel battery. Now, a gel battery is in concept very similar to a normal lead acid battery, except there's a silica that they put in the fluid that when activated, it stiffens up the electrolytes and the fluids in the battery, giving it a higher viscosity, meaning it doesn't slush around or move around in the battery. So what does that mean for you and I? It can be mounted in any position, upside down. You can have it on a turret if you wanted to and have it spin around for some reason. Any position you can imagine, the battery can be mounted that way. It's virtually maintenance free. You don't need to top up fluids or anything like that. If it gets damaged, the fluid won't leak out, so it's much safer, and there's no fumes that come out. That will happen in the case if the battery needs to release some pressure due to high heat. If you're out in the Kalahari somewhere and it's 50 degrees, nothing will happen, no fumes, which for you as a user and just in general for the environment is much safer. Now this specific battery is a 90 amp hour unit. It's on the smaller side of your deep cycle batteries. It has a lot of use cases. You can get a smaller one and just use that in your car. It is ideal for solar systems, UPS backups, caravans or trailers. This is mainly due to the fact that the battery has high resistance to discharge deterioration. Remember to follow all our social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and download our free apps on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. It is completely free. Subscribe to our newsletter. It can be done through the link in the description. So thank you for watching, and remember to go and read our full technical review online by clicking on the link below. In that article, we outline why this battery is recommended for all 4x4 overlanding enthusiasts when compared to the standard lead acid batteries.